There are thousands of deals going on at Target this week. Let me show you some of the deals that I did on Sunday. You can browse the app to find out what is on sale that day. Sunday, they have the women's activewear for 30% off. That means if something's $20, you're going to get $6 off during this promotion. There are different deals every day, so look for them to save money. As you can see here, there's a spend $100, get a $30 Target gift card. There are several deals you can do using Ibotta, Target Circle, and the P&G rebate. For example, these water wipes have a $2 Ibotta rebate. These Pampers have several fetch rebates that you can use, and they also qualify for the P&G rebate. And then there's several Ibotta offers on Huggies wipes and these Ninjamas made by Pampers. They all qualify for the rebate, have Ibotta offers as well. Here's an example of a deal that I put together for you. You can get a large Ninjama nighttime underwear, 5 of the Splashers Swimmers pants for $9.99, and 1 of the Pampers Sensitive Wipes, 8-pack. You'll get a Target Circle gift card for $30 for spending $100. You'll have a $5 coupon on the Ninjamas and $1.50 off the Splashers within the Target Circle app. Then in Ibotta, there's a $4 rebate on the Ninjamas up to 1 time and $1.50 up to 5 times on the Splashers, and then $2 on the wipes. Fetch also has 3,000 points on the Splashers that you can do up to 4 times, so that's 12,000 points. And then the P&G rebate, spend $50, get a $15 gift card. After all the gift cards, coupons, and rebates, it'll be $24.63. That's a 76% savings. And this is all tailored around kids that are a little bit older, so it's a great bundle to do this week during Target Circle Week. I'll have the links to the rebate apps down in my description. If you're new to Ibotta, you'll get $5 when you scan your first receipt. And if you're new to Fetch, you'll get 1,000 points. Now next, I'll start with some of the food deals. Frito-Lay variety packs are 20% off. So you can get this for $9.59. If you get 4 of them, that's $38. And there's a Fetch offer that if you spend $30, you get $4.75 back, leaving you to pay $8.40 for each variety pack. Good for sporting events. I grabbed the 12-pack of Smart Food. It was normally $6.99 and I got it for $5.59. General Mills cereal is also on sale. You save 20%, and there's an Ibotta offer for $1 on 2. You can buy the smallest package of cereal for $3.19. Grab 2 and get $1 back. Kodiak Pancake and Waffle Mix is also on sale for $5.29, and Fetch offers points back for these products. Kraft Macaroni and Cheese is on sale for 15% off. You can get a 5-pack for $4.67. That's less than $1 a box. The Annie's Organic Shells and Cheddar Cheese are on sale for $2.79. There's an Ibotta rebate if you buy 4 of these, making it a great deal. And the organic bread is on sale for 20% off. The Rao's frozen entrees are 20% off. So I got 5 of these at $4.31, totaling $21.55. There's an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each one. So I got $5 back, making these $3.31. That's almost a 40% savings on these frozen entrees. These Life Cuisine meals are 20% off, so they range from $3.99 to $3.59 on sale. And then I used a $1 Ibotta rebate, and I maxed this out, getting all 5. The Kodiak frozen waffles and pancakes are also on sale for 20% off. So now we'll get into the spend $50, get a $15 gift card on household items. You can get this Bounty 4-pack for $11.99, and then there's a $1 Target Circle coupon. You can also get these 24-ounce Downy scent beads for $15.99, and there's a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. This huge bottle of all detergent, free and clear, is $14.99. 94 loads, and there's a $4 Ibotta rebate, bringing this down to $10.99 after the rebate. This Arm & Hammer detergent is very popular this week as well. It's $9.59, and there's a $5 Ibotta rebate that'll come off after you submit your receipt to Ibotta. These finished tabs also count towards the spend $50, get a $15 gift card, and they're $15.49, and there's a $3 Target Circle coupon within the app. And if you've noticed, once you purchase one of these items, that coupon will automatically be selected for you. That's one of the features in the Target Circle app this week. And this is an item that I personally needed, so I included it in my deal this week. It's the Swiffer wet pads for wood. They're $9.99, and there's a $2 Target Circle coupon. The OxiClean laundry spray also counts towards the gift card. It's $3.39. There's an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back on each, and there's a Fetch point reward as well. This will total you $8.45 or $1.69 each after the $7.50 back on Ibotta and the $1 back on Fetch. If you want to try the Dove Women's Body Wash, this is a great week to do it. It's on sale $7.99. There's a $4 Target coupon in the app, and there's $2 back on Fetch, getting this for $1.99. Here's another Dove deal on their new deodorant. It's $9.59 on sale. There's a $4 Target digital coupon. And there was a hang tag that was stuck to mine, and when the cashier rang it in, it took it, along with the Ibotta rebate of $5. So after all those coupons and the Ibotta rebate, this was a $2.41 moneymaker. If you have hang tags in your store, see if they'll scan it in, and you should get both coupons off. So this is the deal I did on the spend $50, get a $15 Target gift card on household items. I got the Downy beads, the large all detergent, the Arm & Hammer, and the Swiffer wood wipes. This ended up costing $50.56 before coupons and rebates, and then $23 after coupons and rebates. So a 50% savings. I post all these deals weekly on my Instagram @ThriveSaver. Feel free to follow me there, and you can use that as your guide to help you with these deals when you're going into the store. I also want to point out that several of these items will count towards the active P&G rebate. Spend $20, get a $5 gift card, or spend $50, get a $15 gift card. So save your receipts and make sure you're submitting. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All the rebate app links will be in my description box. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's something else you'd like to see or more types of deals that you'd like me to bring to these weekly videos. Have a great day, and thank you.